In this case, we are trying to close out a rental. We received an email from a customer this morning that said that it is ready for pickup. So I wanted to walk through some steps of what we needed to do internally to close out a rental. In this case, we have this information. We go to the quote in the QTE rent in Great Plains. We go to the user defined. We put the service complete date. That would be today of when it was called off of rent. Next step we would do is we would make a notation that says customer off on 10/4/23 requested pickup from vendor, asked for freight claim. Since this is a third party rent, we should not have a rental return to be billed. Create an email to billing. Then I'm going to go to my SMARTSHEET. I will make this color change to blue. Make some words on customer notes. Paste it there. If this was a rental piece of equipment, was one of our rentals. I'm just going to use this one for example. We would go in here. We would create a new work order. We would call this rental we'd find the rental return. Say the due date is next week. You would assign it to me. I'm going to say it's for this unit. I would create a QTE rental return. I'm going to use this international paper. I'm going to use Grand Prairie just for a reference. This is where I would put my name, put the PECO unit if it was a power equipment unit, and the serial number. In this case, we're using this one. Put 10 has to be in progress. I would change my QT rent to I would email this to myself so that I can create create a PM. And I would put it on the calendar. Last step I would need to do is I would need to go to my SMARTSHEET. And this is the PO for the third party, because that's Capital Machinery, which is who we rented this compressor from. I would shoot them an email. That's it.